How to stop sharing Instagram stories on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can stop sharing Instagram stories on Facebook. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. From your home page, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner, and once you land on your settings and activity, tap on the first option, that is Account Center. Once you're here under Connected Experience, tap on Sharing Across Profiles. Then select your Instagram account. After you do that, here it says Share from your Instagram to your Facebook account. So if you want to stop sharing Instagram stories on Facebook, make sure that this toggle that says your Instagram story is turned off. If you have turned it on, toggle off the option, and with that now you have stopped sharing Instagram stories on Facebook, and your Instagram stories will no longer be shared on your Facebook automatically. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.